This is COVID Community Connections, where we connect our community and offer reliable sources on the pandemic. While the world is on pause, so many of us are hopelessly scrolling through our news feeds from home. People are frantically trying to decipher what is true and what is false in these times of uncertainty. As a new pandemic, there are many blanks in our understanding of the virus, leading to misconceptions and fear. CCC is here to educate and connect people. It can be lonely for those affected who are quarantining alone or who don't know anyone else going through what they are. Our professionals don't know everything about the coronavirus yet, so having people telling their stories can help others. In order to help our community, we wanted to provide a safe space where people who have been affected by COVID can share their experiences, connect, give tips, and positive words. People's inputs will then be translated into our statistics page to show the percentage of people that have had each symptom shown below. The internet is filled with false information. We are here to demystify them, to educate people, and spread safety. Hi, I'm Camilla.
I'm Jandri.
And I'm Laura. And this is COVID Community Connections.
Our website was made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We also made use of Google's Firebase real-time database, an API for live COVID-19 statistics, and the p5.js library.
So we'll start off the demo by going to the homepage, where you can see the website name and a little blurb about what the site does. By clicking on Menu, you can access the different pages of the website.
The first page we'll be visiting is the Experiences page. The page displays 6 experiences at a time, and you can press on See More Experiences to view more. You can also use the search bar to search for stories related to specific symptoms. By clicking on an experience, you can see information that someone else filled out on the site. The ability to see other stories is a core feature of our website and helps people connect over their experiences around the world. If you would like to share your own experience, you can fill out a form by clicking on Submit Your Experience.
These forms can be filled out by anyone and are anonymous. The first step is to write a title so others can find your story more easily. After that is when you tell us any information you want about your experience with COVID-19. This part is pretty open-ended, so you can share anything you want. Finally, the last section is for people who have contracted COVID-19. You have to check off the symptoms you've experienced, and you can also include your age if you please. By pressing on Submit Report, your form data is sent to our database. In fact, some of this data is even illustrated in our statistics section.
On this page, we have many graphs that are made from all of the data collected from the forms. The first set of graphs show the percentage of people that have experienced each symptom. These graphs, as well as our last graph, help show what symptoms people are most experiencing.
Besides the sharing and connecting with people aspect, we also wanted the website to be a handy educational tool. That is why we added the information page. The first part of the information page includes a world map where you can hover over and click on countries. When you click on one, the daily COVID-19 statistics are displayed below. We've also added a fact checker feature where we have found credible articles that dispel common COVID-19 myths. You can even have your input fact checked by filling out this short form here.
We also have a Connect page where you could contact our team. Finally, all of our features are available on the mobile version of the website as well.
Future plans for the website include adding a discussion forum where people can have conversations in real time and be able to reply to people's experiences. We would also like to add other language options to make COVID Community Connections more accessible.
This pandemic marks a new time for everyone, so it is important that we support each other and stay connected.
With COVID Community Connections, people around the globe will be able to anonymously share their experiences with COVID-19.
Because together we can fight COVID-19.
Thank you for listening to our demo video.